In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view employee calling reports in Freshsales. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. Everything we need is inside the contacts area because calling activity is tied to individual contact records. Once you know where to look, you can quickly review call history and confirm what conversations have taken place. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the Contacts module. This will open your contacts list, where you can browse, search, or filter to find the person connected to the calling activity you want to review. If you have many contacts, use the search bar at the top of the list to speed things up. The goal is to open the specific record that contains the call details you need. Next, select the specific contact record you want to review. Click the contact name to open the details page. This page is where Freshsales organizes everything related to that contact, including their information and the history of communication with your team. Once you are on the contact details page, move your cursor over the left sidebar area. When you hover there, the panel expands to show additional functions that may be hidden when the sidebar is collapsed. This is important because the options you need are located in that expanded menu, and it is easy to miss them if the panel is not open. With the sidebar expanded, choose Conversations. This section collects communication activity for the record, so it is the right place to look when you are reviewing calling. Under Conversations, click Call Logs. This opens the calling history associated with that contact, where you can view logged calls and review what has been recorded from employee outreach and follow-ups. As you review the call logs, take your time to scan through entries and confirm dates, outcomes, and any notes that were captured. This helps you understand the sequence of communication and ensures the record reflects what happened during calls. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.